Okay, students. So now we are going to start a new chapter today from your book Moments. You all can see on the screen it's chapter number 4 in the Kingdom of Fools, right? By the name, it itself sounds very interesting. And it's a kind of a story, very interesting story. And you can see that a curiosity will develop, keep developing, continue as we move on with the text. So first of all, I just conceptualize this chapter to you so that it will make your understanding more clear. So see, in the kingdom of fools, it is basically एक thought होता है, एक fact है literally that fools जो होते हैं ना, fools I think you know who are fools, जो insane people होते हैं, ठीक है, mentally जो disturbed होते हैं we can say. So it is believed that fools जो होते हैं they are dangerous to us, right? And it's quite true. And that only who can manage them? Fools can be managed only by the wise people. Because to manage a normal person is very easy, but to manage a fool is quite a dangerous task. So for that, you need a lot of wisdom how to handle that person. So that can only be done by the wise people. Now, in this kingdom of fools, it itself, by the name, it's clear that it's about some fools. Now, who are the fools mentioned here? इस story में जिन fools की हम बात कर रहे हैं, the fool people, who actually are they, and what happens to them? So the story revolves around these fool people. So now it's written the kingdom of fools. So you can say that the whole kingdom was full of fools. But actually, in the time of kings and the kingdom, the thing happens. क्या होता है? Whatever the king says, the people have to follow it. If not, then it's going to be more dangerous than being a fool. क्योंकि जो हमारे किंग होते हैं ना, उनके पास स्ट्रेट अवे एक ही चीज होती है, इधर आप उनकी बात मान लो, अदरवाइज उनकी जो पनिशमेंट्स होते हैं वो बहुत हार्श होते हैं. So the same thing is over here. So in the kingdom of fools, both यहाँ पे there were two fool people, that is the king and the minister. They were the fools. And actually, what foolish thing they did? They said that in their kingdom, the night is going to be changed into the day and the day is going to be changed into the night. That is, people are going to sleep during the day. Nobody is going to work during the day. दोपहर के समय कोई काम नहीं करेगा. Nobody. Market is going to be closed down during the daytime. Nobody is going to till the farms. कोई farming नहीं करेगा, कुछ भी नहीं करेगा. That is एकदम motionless and just go to sleep. जैसे ही नाइट होती है, जैसे ही रात हुई, people are awake on the roads, markets open, farmers जो है they are tilling their land in the farms. तो ये सब चीजें जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं. So the change of day into night and the night into day, this itself is what a very foolish task. Now the next thing they did is that whatever you want to purchase or buy in this particular village, यहाँ पे आप जो भी लेना चाहो ना इस kingdom के अंदर, यहाँ पे any market, any kind of grocery item or anything you want, that itself is of single currency. ऐसा नहीं है कोई चीज 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee की है. जो भी चीज होगी ना, it's on the equal price, same. That is everything cost the same. That is single dudu. Dudu is basically the currency over here. Okay. So see, in the kingdom of fools, तो ऐसा हुआ. So once what happens? Once a thief broke. एक दिन क्या होता है यहाँ पे? So ultimately, a guru and his disciple, they come to this kingdom. Guru and the disciple, they come to this kingdom, and they were giving their preachings all around. And as soon as they approach this kingdom, they find something. And what they actually find? That everything was closed. पूरे उसको kingdom के अंदर they were not able to find one person. एक person भी उनको जागता हुआ नहीं मिला. They were very surprised, and as well as the thing was very mysterious कि ऐसा क्या हुआ यहाँ पे. So the thing is, उन्होंने क्या देखा? The mysterious thing is कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ? But as soon as the night comes, अब क्या हुआ? धीरे धीरे लोग वापस बाहर आने लगे, धीरे धीरे काम होने लगे. So they were very surprised, and then they came to know that the night is day and the day is night in this kingdom. So they were very much surprised. वो बहुत हैरान परेशान से हुए कि ये क्या हुआ, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. So staying over there for few time, जो disciple था उसने decide किया कि वो यहीं पे रहेगा, but the guru decided that he is going to go back. He says that living within the among the fools is very soon going to make us fool. So I am not going to stay with these people. I am going to go back to my place. but the disciple was a very, we can say, greedy sort of person. So he says कि यहाँ पे तो बहुत expensive चीजें भी is coming in the same currency, that is one single dudu, so I am going to stay back over here. गुरु आपको जाना है तो आप चले जाइए. So he stayed back, वो वहीं पे रुक गए. Now one day what happened, a thief broke into a merchant's house. The wall collapsed, and the wall collapsed on the thief, and the thief died. Now thief's brother went to the king and asked the king to give my brother a justice, because my brother was just breaking into someone's house and the wall fell on him and he died. So kindly punish that person whose house wall it was. Now first foolish thing started here. Now अब thief किसी के घर में घुस रहा है, तो अब thief किसी के घर में घुस रहा है और दीवार उसके ऊपर गिर गई, and if he died, so is it a sensible thing to punish the person whose house it was? Why was the thief breaking into the house? The question arises. But since it was a kingdom of fools, तो वहां पे ये भी एक point raise कर दिया गया. Now king said, yes, very true, the person should be punished. Now he just called the owner of the house. He summoned actually the owner of the house. The owner of the house came and he said, it's not my fault, it's the fault of the bricklayer. ये वो घर बनाने जिसने ये wall बनाई उसकी गलती है, उसने इतनी वीक वॉल बनाई क्यों? Just catch him, not me. Now again second foolish thing was this, but the king said, yes, you are very true. Now I am going to do what? Now saying that the bricklayer built the weak wall, the bricklayer was summoned. Now he came and the king gave him the explanation that why he has been called. So उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? Now the thing na, the blame kept on moving from person to person. Now the bricklayer put the blame on who? He says that there was a dancing girl in the street who was continuously distracting me. जो मेरे को क्या कर रही थी? Continuously मुझे परेशान कर रही थी. Like I was concentrating on my work. वो बार बार वहां से निकलती and she was wearing anklets in her feet. तो वो जो पायल की आवाज होती है ना, उससे I was again and again I was getting disturbed and distracted from my work. तो मैं उसको properly नहीं कर पाया. So what he did, he says, okay, so now call. Do you know where that girl is? So he just put on the blame on who? He put on the blame on the dancing girl. Now the dancing girl, now she was quite old, but they knew her house and now she has stopped dancing since the age. So she was also called over there. Now she came. And now the question was asked her that you are behind this such a great mishappening and now you have to be punished. But the dancing girl said, no, it's not me to be blamed. Sir, actually it's the goldsmith because he has been delaying my orders for which I had to walk up and down the street. वो गोल्डस्मिथ थे जिनकी वजह से मुझे बार बार आना जाना पड़ रहा था एंड दैट इज व्हाई कंटिन्यूअसली आई वाज मूविंग इन द स्ट्रीट और वो मेरे पैरों की जो आवाज थी, जो पायल की आवाज थी, उससे दिस मैन वाज गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. सो एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट द फॉल्टी पर्सन. हु इज द फॉल्टी पर्सन? इट्स द गोल्डस्मिथ. Now the goldsmith was summoned, but actually he was busy making the urgent jewelry of merchant's father. He said, now he was summoned. He said, no, actually it's again not my fault. It's the fault of the merchant. Which merchant? जिसके घर की वो दीवार गिरी थी ना, the same merchant, the owner of the house, जो पहला वो उसका जो convict था वो. Now they said that he itself is to be blamed because I was busy completing the orders of their house, so I was not able कि मैं इस girl का order जो था वो complete कर पाता time पे. That is why I had to call her now and then मुझे बार बार उसको बुलाना पड़ा. So that is why he said कि ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हुआ. So again the blame circle, this vivacious circle I can say, वो पूरा का पूरा घूम के वापस कहाँ पे आ गया? It again came back to the same merchant, जो सबसे पहला convict जिसको बुलाया गया था. तो उसके ऊपर जब आया, now he says that अगर ये मेरे father के समय की बात है, so you have to punish them ना, उन्हें punish करो, but he is no more, वो alive नहीं है, so everything's okay, चलो ठीक है, chapter close. But the king says no, ये आपके फादर और ग्रैंडफादर का है ना. इफ यू कैन कैरी देयर गुड थिंग्स, इफ यू कैरी फॉरवर्ड देयर रिचेस, तो उनके फॉल्स, उनके पनिशमेंट्स भी आपको ही कैरी करने पड़ेंगे. नाउ यू आर एंजॉयिंग द थिंग्स मेड बाय देम, यू आर कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड विद देयर नेम, आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो ना उनकी हर चीज से, तो अगर कुछ गड़बड़ भी है तो यू हैव टू कैरी ऑन विद दैट. सो मर्चेंट ही सेज दैट यू हैव टू बी पनिश्ड. Now he says, now आपके इस punishment का समय कल morning का decide होता है. So for that we have to make a new stake. New stake should be ready. New stake लाया जाएगा and on that particular new stake, what was done? उसके ऊपर जिसको भी आपको kill करना था ना, उसे kill किया जाता है. So new stake was prepared and he says कि चलो उसे लेके आया जाए. Now the merchant को जब लेके गए, stake was little big. Stake थोड़ा सा बड़ा था as according to the size of merchant. Now the persons came and told the king कि राजा महाराजा हम उसे नहीं किल कर सकते. उन्होंने पूछा why? So he says because the stake that we have prepared for his killing is quite big and he is not fitting properly into that. Now see, as it was a kingdom of fools, what foolish decision the king gave. You know what? He says okay, does not matter, then leave the merchant. कोई ऐसा person लेकर आ जाओ जो बहुत मोटा हो और जो stake के ऊपर fit हो जाए. Now see, किसका ब्लेम, कौन विक्टिम, किसको पनिश करना. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो स्टेक पे फिट नहीं आ रहा, द किंग गिव्स द ऑर्डर, ब्रिंग अ मैन, वो यहाँ पे एक ऐसा मैन लेके आओ हु गेट्स फिट इनटू द स्टेक. नाउ इज इट नॉट फुलिश? कितना फुलिश, कितनी बेवकूफी की बात थी ये. सो द सर्वेंट्स moved around the kingdom and they found a person. And who the person was, you know? Earlier हमने किसकी बात की थी? एक किंग थे, एक उनके डिसाइपल थे, है ना. डिसाइपल जस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू, क्योंकि उनको क्या करना था, खूब खाने पीने की चीजें चाहिए थी, वो भी एट अ वेरी लो कॉस्ट. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, जो डिसाइपल थे वो वहीं रुक गए थे एंड विद इन दिस टाइम पीरियड खूब खा खा के वो डिसाइपल क्या थे, हैज ग्रोन टू हेल्दी एंड फैटी. सो द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ द किंग फाउंड दैट पर्सन. उन्होंने बोला यू आर कॉल्ड बाय द किंग. नाउ उस डिसाइपल ने बोला व्हाई मी, मैंने क्या किया, आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग, मुझे क्यों लेकर के जा रहे हो. तो दे सेज दैट टुडे वी हैव टू गिव पनिशमेंट टू अ पर्सन, बट फॉर दैट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ न्यू स्टेक. बट द थिंग इज दैट द एक्चुअल पर्सन जिसे हमें उस पर किल करना था, द स्टेक डज नॉट फिट हिम. सो आवर किंग हैज गिवन अस द ऑर्डर दैट फ्रॉम द सिटी हमें एक ऐसा पर्सन ढूंढ के लाना है जो उस स्टेक में फिट हो जाए. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अस तुम उसके अंदर बहुत अच्छे से फिट हो जाओगे. So we have to call you. But he just kept on saying, why me, why me? तो वो कहते हैं, yes, we know and we understand that you yourself are true at your point, but हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. It's not in our hand. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हमें आपको लेके जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो उसको लेके जाते हैं. Now जब वो जा रहा था, he did what? तो उसे याद आई कि गुरु ने मुझे बोला था मेरे कि दैट यू शुड गो बैक विद मी, बट मैं रुक गया यहाँ पे लालच के चक्कर में. तो देखो अभी मैं कैसे फंस गया हूँ. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही सेड, he just prayed to the guru, and guru at that time was such a, we can say, a wise man. इतने ज्यादा वो होली थे, तो उनके पास में ना एक वो थी कि वो ना फ्यूचर को प्रिडिक्ट कर लेते थे और उनकी ऐसे फोरसाइट थी जिससे वो आगे का बहुत कुछ देख लेते थे. So the thing is, वो जब आगे का देख रहे थे तो when he was just praying that Guru please come and save me, your disciple needs you. तो उस समय क्या हुआ, the Guru was able to see कि उनके disciple कुछ परेशानी में है. Guru immediately reached the place. जब ये पूरा प्रोसीजर होने वाला था, Guru reached there and Guru, however, with his wisdom, उन्होंने ट्रिक प्ले की and he told the king, क्योंकि किंग फूल था, उसे फुलिश बनाना was very easy. So he told him कि महाराज, I have one thing. I am a person जिसने बहुत enlightenment को हासिल किया and I am able to see the things of far future. So I am able to see that whoever the person is going to be killed on this stake, since it's a new stake, तो जो भी किल होगा इस पे फर्स्ट टाइम होगा, एंड जो पर्सन इस पे किल होगा ना, दैट पर्सन इज गोइंग टू बिकम द किंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट लाइफ ऑल्सो. ओके. सो उसको ये सुन के महाराज ने जब ये बात सुनी, तो महाराज जस्ट थॉट कि वाओ, इट्स ग्रेट, अगले जन्म में भी किंग मैं ही बनूंगा. सो ही वाज जस्ट गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. सो ही सेज कि इस पूरे प्रोसीजन को कब तक रोक दो, मॉर्निंग तक रोक दो, विल डू व्हाटएवर वी वांट टू डू विद दिस इन मॉर्निंग. अब रात भर महाराज थॉट अबाउट इट अ लॉट, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ सोचा. बट देन ही डिसाइडेड दैट बीइंग अ किंग, क्या किंग कभी भी अपना किंगडम लूज करना चाहेंगे? नेवर. सो बीइंग अ किंग ही वुड नेवर लाइक टू लूज द किंगडम. So he says, he just thought about it and he says that why should I pass on my kingdom to any other person in the next life? I just can't. So the king and minister did what? They just disguised themselves as Guru and the disciple and they were executed. They just said that we are going to be executed, and king next day said कि इस person को छोड़ दो disciple को, and me and my ministers हमें इस stake पे kill कर दिया जाए, so that we can be the king and the ministers in the next life again. So the procession took place. The foolish king and the foolish ministers, they were killed on the stake, and the disciple was very wisely saved by who? By the Guru. So now when the Guru and the disciple were just on the verge to leave the town, जब वो जा ही रहे थे, so the people of that particular kingdom, they came to them and they said, why are you going? They said, no, we just do not want to stay here anymore, and now we are going to our own place. वहां पे उनको people ने बोला, देखो, you with your wisdom, आपने अपने दिमाग का, अपनी बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल करके what you did, आपने हमें इस फूल किंग से बचा लिया, राइट? नहीं तो ये हमारे साथ पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या क्या गलत चीजें हो जाती. You are very wise man, and now since there is no king and no minister, so what we want a new king for our kingdom and a new minister. So since you are a very wise people, you too, so we want you to be our king and your disciple to be the minister. Now king and ये guru and disciple जो थे, after thinking a lot about it, they just decided to take the crown, and finally they were crowned as the king and the minister of the kingdom. And what they did, first of all, they changed two things. One is that they converted the day into day and the night into night. So first wise change was this. And second was, everything you want to buy in this kingdom is going to come at different cost. Everything is not going to cost the same. हर चीज की प्राइस क्या होगी? बिल्कुल अलग. हर चीज एक दूसरे से अलग प्राइस में. So these were the two major changes, and this kingdom of fool, यहाँ पे जितने भी old laws थे ना, वो Guru and the disciple, they just changed it and make it to the actual kingdom and not the kingdom of the fools. Okay, I hope you understood this. This was a short summarization of the chapter, and if you have understood it well, then now we'll take it line to line. So when we are going to take the text, so आपको अब पता है, idea है कि what's the story about, so you won't get confused. Yes students, so now we are going to continue it line to line, text to text. ठीक है, तो आप उसको ध्यान से particular line particular word पे attention देंगे, because as you all know कि आपके एग्जाम्स में क्या आता है, किसी भी चैप्टर की कहीं से भी 4-5 लाइंस का एक्सट्रैक्ट आएगा and questions will be asked from that. So आपको आइडिया तो हो सबसे पहले that from which chapter these lines are. So उसके लिए you have to pay attention while we are reading the text. Okay. So see, it is believed that fools are so dangerous that only wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in this story and what happens to them? So see, in the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. They didn't want to run things like other kings. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till their fields and run their businesses only after dark, and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people did as they were told for the fear of death. Now, in the kingdom of fools, both, चाहे वो उनके महाराजा थे या फिर उनके मिनिस्टर्स थे, जिन्हें मंत्री बोला जाता है, वर व्हाट? इडियट्स, फूल थे वो लोग. ठीक है, और ये जो किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स है ना, उसका आंसर यही है that who were the fools in the story? The king and the minister. Why? Because they didn't, वो बाकी किंग्स के जैसे नहीं चलना चाहते थे. They wanted to do something different. This is ऐसा तो हर किंग करते हैं, let us do something different. तो ये कुछ अलग करने के चक्कर में उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने एक ऐसी चीज डिसाइड कर ली which was equal to a foolish task. उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया, वो दिन को रात में बदल देंगे and रात को दिन में बदल देंगे. And they ordered that everyone should be awake at night. कि हर कोई रात को क्या करेगा, is going to be awake, जगता रहेगा, कोई नहीं सोएगा. Till their fields, अपने खेत में काम करेंगे, and run their business only after the dark. They are going to open the shops or any other business जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, they will do only after it gets dark. That is रात होने के बाद में. and as soon as the sun came up, they are going to be sleep. They are going to bed to have a sound sleep. And again, this was something which was a additional statement, that is terms and conditions होती है ना, वो ये थी कि anyone who's going to disobey, the punishment is ready for that person. Who is going to disobey this decision of the king, he is going to be punished. And the punishment was, you know what? Death. अब death अपने आप में जब punishment मिलता है तो person is ready to do anything because it's such a big fear. So people इतना डर गए थे when they were told of this, with the fear of death they were ready to do whatever the king said. So king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. लेकिन king and the minister, they were very delighted, वो बहुत खुश थे. They says कि अपना तो project successful हो गया, हमने ये एक project launch किया that people are going to take day as night and night as day, and देखो सब हमारी बात मान रहे हैं, nobody is disagreeing. But actually why they were agreeing with this? Because they were having the fear of death, nothing more than that. Now one day the guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city, it was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring, even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw under them and wandered around till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. Now they say कि अब क्या हुआ, one day एक गुरु और उनका एक डिसाइपल यू नो, गुरु और चेला आपने ऐसा एक पेयर सुना होगा. तो डिसाइपल इज बेसिकली जिसको हम चेला बोलते हैं, जो गुरु को हमेशा असिस्ट करते हैं. Now they arrived in the city. Which city? यही Kingdom of Fools वाली city, and it was a very beautiful city. It was a broad daylight, but there was no one about. And why there was no one about? कोई क्यों नहीं दिखाई दिया उन दोनों को वहां पे? Because it was daylight. Mention किया है ना? And daylight में वहां पे क्या होता था? सब सो रहे होते थे. Everyone was asleep. Even एक mouse जो होता था ना, एक mouse छोटा सा, वो mouse भी इधर उधर नहीं घूमता था. इवन जो कैटल्स थी लोगों के पास में, उन्हें भी ये सिखा दिया गया था दैट ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम यू हैव टू रेस्ट, एंड जो भी हमें करना है वो नाइट टाइम होगा. ठीक है, तो सारी वर्किंग जो होगी नाइट टाइम में. लाइक कैटल्स को भी अगर खाना खाना है, कैटल्स को चारा खाने के लिए कहीं बाहर मूव करती हैं, कैटल्स कहीं घूमती हैं, पॉन्ड्स में बाथ लेने के लिए कैटल्स को भेज दिया जाता था किंगडम में, विलेजेस में उस समय में. सो दैट ऑल थिंग्स आर टू बी डन बाय द नाइट, because that actually is the day for them. And आपको पता है इतने समझदार थे इवन दी एनिमल्स एंड कैटल्स की, उनको भी इतना डेथ का डर था दैट वो भी इस चीज को समझ गए. टू स्ट्रेंजर्स वर वेरी मच अमेज्ड, बहुत हैरान हुए वो by what they saw around them, जो उन्होंने देखा ना उससे. and wandered around till evening, and till evening वो वहीं पे they just kept on wandering around. They were even hungry because डे से नाइट हो गया, उनको कोई शॉप खुला नहीं मिला जहां से वो कुछ लेके खा सके. दे वर वेरी हंग्री, तो वो इधर उधर घूम रहे थे. बट व्हेन सडनली इवनिंग हुई, जैसे ही इवनिंग हुई, सडनली द होल टाउन वोक अप, पूरा का पूरा टाउन जग गया एंड वेंट अबाउट इट्स नाइटली बिजनेस. और सबने अपना नाइटली बिजनेस, शॉप्स खुल गई, फार्मर्स काम करने लग गए, और जिस तरह के भी जो वर्कर्स होते हैं, दे हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. द टू men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everyone cost the same, a single dudu. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. Now the guru and his disciple were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the foods they wanted for a rupee. Now both these men, who the two men are mentioned over here, Guru and the disciple, they were hungry. Now as the shops were open, shops खुली थी, they went to buy some groceries. वो कुछ groceries लेने के लिए, groceries means खाने पीने का सामान लेने गए. And to their astonishment, वो उनकी हैरानी हुई इतनी, they found, एक और हैरानी की चीज हुई, that they found that everything cost the same. हर चीज के दाम बराबर. And what was the cost? A single dudu. Whether they bought a measure of rice, चाहे वो आप एक राइस ले लो कितने भी क्वांटिटी में, और bunch of banana या bananas का पूरा bunch ले लो, it cost a single dudu. सबकी प्राइस सेम, a single dudu. Now Guru and disciple, they were very much delighted, बहुत खुश. क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा पहले कभी कुछ नहीं सुना था. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. जितना भी फूड उनको चाहिए था ना, वो फॉर अ रुपी वो उस चीज को ले सकते थे. So they were surprised as well as they were, we can say, stupefied थे. वो बहुत हैरान थे इस चीज को देख के कि जितना खाना खाना है, जितना चाहिए, जो चाहिए फॉर अ रुपी, कितना भी ले लो, ये कैसे हो सकता है? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? सो दिस वाज द, वी कैन से, द एक्साइटमेंट एंड as well as the delight within them. तो वो एक चीज हुई. Okay, so I hope you understood it till here right now. अच्छे से समझ लिया आपने इसको. So just go through the text until here. If there are any doubts, we will clear it in the class tomorrow morning. सबसे पहले हम क्लास में कल इन्हीं doubts को clear करेंगे if there is any. Okay, and the rest of the part you just give a first reading yourself. आपके पास में books होंगी, एक reading ले लेना उसकी. We'll just see, पढ़ के देखो कितना समझ में आता है, and tomorrow we'll continue with it. Okay, so for this class this is all. So this was a very interesting, and this is a continuing very interesting story about the kingdom of fools. We are really going to enjoy it. Just go through it. If any doubts you can ask me. Okay, so the time is over for today and we'll be meeting tomorrow. Okay, chalo, till then take care of yourself.